Hi there, this is Zaheer Ahmed, and in this video we will learn how to make this fur effect in Adobe Illustrator in just few minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to amazing world of Adobe Illustrator. So I'm deleting here this shape, and there is the three reference colors that we use in our gradients. So first thing we need to do, just make an ellipse just like this and fill the gradients on it. Now press simple G or just click on this gradient tool and click on it. Now add the color, so double click on it and open this color picker and click on this one and it will add color. Now double click on this one and add a color and this color. Now I want to make one point in center and just click on it and it will make a new point, and just double click on it and choose the color picker and choose this color. Now simply select this one, press G and make it just like this. Make a copy of this by pressing Alt and drag it down. You can even resize it a little bit just like this. Now select the both of them and simply go to Effect, Blend, and then Make Blend. Now again select it and go to Object and then Blend and Blending option, or simply you can double click on this blending option and it will open the same thing. Now click on specified steps and choose any random values, so I'm putting here 400 and hit OK. Now again make an ellipse or simply press L to select the ellipse tool and make a bigger shape like this. Now press simply D to reset it. Now simply off the fill by pressing on this button and select it and simply go to knife and just drag over here to delete the point. Now simply select both of them and go to Object, Blend, and then Replace Spine, and simply go to Effects, Distort, and Rough. Now increase the size of roughness and also increase the detail. And there we are. Now you can even change the settings by simply select this one and go to Properties, and there is Effects. Now double click on it and there we are. So have a look. This is the soft furry hairs. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned and Allah Hafiz.